Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to review an amazing product, Intoval, the 1.4 port charging station, making it an ideal choice for your home or office. Let's dive into the features. This charger supports up to 8 devices at once, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more. The 1.4 power output makes it efficient and reliable. That ensures the safety of your devices while charging. This charger is a perfect companion. This USB-C wall charger blocks 8-port charging station for multiple devices. It also comes with a built-in protection system. This charger is designed with safety in mind, featuring nanopulse monitoring. It's compatible with most devices that use USB Type-C ports. For travelers, as it's compact and lightweight. Before I had to charge my device one by one, it's so annoying. But since I got this charging block, it has slots for all of my devices. It's very convenient as I'm able to leave all my cables attached and use them when needed. The design is sleek and modern, which makes it look great in any setting. I personally love the convenience of being able to charge all my devices at once without worrying about overcharging or overheating issues. It's a game changer in my daily routine. Thanks for tuning in today. Purchase link in description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and insights. Until next time, stay charged and keep exploring.